should probably be cold-blooded and heartless. I grew up in trailer parks and apartments. I never gave a fuck and always tried to start shit. That's what it's like when all you know is fucking hardships. I should probably be cold-blooded and heartless. I grew up in trailer parks and apartments. I never gave a fuck and always tried to start shit. That's what it's like when all you know is fucking hardships. I'm back in action, pick up a pistol and get to blasting. I thought about taking some acid before I get to rapping, and then I flip the switch inside my head, it must be magic. The switch red, flip the switch to get a different Aston. I feel like Mr. Mathers with this gift of gab. If little rappers get to gap and then it happens, it can get so tragic. I've been ecstatic, the way I kill them, it's automatic. Fulfilling my path and destiny, just reach out and grab it. It's hard to grow inside a town that's full of needle addicts. The devil trying to pull you down into another habit. Instead I pulled them down and stomped them out and fucking smacked them. You don't believe me, homie, why don't you go fucking ask them? A full magazine ready for him, ain't talking maximum capacity.